Whoever said imagination didn't matter had none. Today, someone just played some imaginary notes. Today, someone just painted some imaginary colors. Today, someone just blew some imaginary kisses to their partner. Today, someone imagined a future generation that will change the world. Today, someone just wrote down some imaginary words. Today, someone just completed an imaginary exercise. Today, someone just baked an imaginary recipe they thought up. Today, someone just shared some imaginary ideas. Today, someone saw a sky nobody else could. Today, someone just built a business with some imaginary notions. Today, someone just helped another with some imaginary concepts. Today, someone designed the next great brand no one thought of before. Never forget, imagination isn't something you have. It's something you are. What will you imagine today?